Meet the Sensi room sensor. Up to 15 sensors can be connected to a Sensi touch-tooth thermostat to monitor indoor temperature and humidity for greater comfort and control. The box includes everything you need to get started. Open the box to find the Sensi room sensor, mounting hardware, sensor stand, 2 AAA batteries, and installation guide. If you're pairing multiple sensors, connect one sensor at a time so you know which one you're setting up. To add the sensor to your thermostat, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of your Sensi Touch 2 thermostat screen. Tap Remote Sensors. Then tap Add Sensor. Next, prepare your sensor to be connected. Insert batteries into the sensor and tap OK on the thermostat screen. If the sensor already had batteries or was already paired, you'll need to press and hold the reset button located in the battery compartment for 5 seconds. Available sensors will appear on the thermostat screen. Tap Connect next to the sensor to pair it. Please note it may take up to a minute to connect. When the connection is successful, a check mark will appear next to the sensor name on the thermostat screen. Once connected, you will be prompted to go into the Sensi app on your smartphone to rename it. In the Sensi app, tap on your Touch 2 thermostat name. You'll see your sensors above the room temperature. Tap Sensor above the room temperature to see the sensor status and rename them. On an Apple device, tap the eye icon next to the sensor. On an Android device, tap the 3 vertical dots. In the sensor name field, rename the sensor to something that helps you remember where it is in your home, such as living room, primary bedroom, kids' bedroom, or dining room. Choose a different name for each sensor. Tap Save to set the name change. Place your sensor in its corresponding room location. Sensi room sensors can be mounted on a wall using the enclosed hardware, attached to the included stand, or simply placed on a flat surface. For the best placement of your Sensi room sensor, make sure the sensor is 5 feet off the ground in a location facing the room with good airflow. Avoid locations that could impact the temperature reading, such as direct sunlight, air vents, windows, or direct heat sources. Repeat these steps to add more sensors. After installing your sensors, by default, there will be a check mark next to each sensor and the thermostat in the mobile app. This means that your temperature settings will heat and cool to an average reading across all selected devices. To prioritize the temperature and humidity of a certain room or sensor, ensure only the sensors you want to prioritize are selected in the mobile app. The temperature and humidity shown on the top of your app screen will display the average temperature across all selected devices in your home. If your sensor doesn't appear on your thermostat screen, hold the reset button on the sensor for 5 seconds and then try to connect again. If your sensor still doesn't appear, try replacing the batteries with 2 new AAA batteries. Still need some help? Our highly trained Sensi support team is available 7 days a week to help you connect to comfort.